Want to mute your Apple Watch? I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can quickly put your watch on silent mode whenever you need to. Before we walk you through the process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, start by pressing the side button to open the control center, which is the quick access menu on your watch. Next, tap the bell icon. This is the mute or silent mode button. Once you tap it, the bell icon will turn red, and a pop-up will confirm silent mode on. If you tap and hold the bell icon, you'll see additional options to mute your watch for 1 hour, until this evening, or until tomorrow morning, depending on the current time. To turn off silent mode, just go back to the control center and tap the bell icon again. The red color will disappear, showing that silent mode is now off. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to try it out and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching.